The Difference Engine, Charles Babbage's revolutionary invention. Welcome back, history enthusiasts. In today's episode of Forgotten Gems of Technology, we are diving into the truly remarkable invention that paved the way for modern computer. Join me as we unravel the fascinating story of the Difference Engine, designed by the visionary Charles Babbage. Segment 1, The Genius of Charles Babbage. Before we delve into the difference engine, let's meet the mastermind behind it, Charles Babbage. Born in 1791, Babbage was an English mathematician, philosopher, and mechanical engineer. His passion for precision and calculation led him to invention a device capable of automatic complex mathematical computation. Driven by his vision, Babbage devoted years of his life to perfecting the design and functionality of what would become the difference engine. It was a feat of engineering ahead of its time. Segment 2, The Concept and Inner Workings. But what exactly was the difference engine? In simple terms, it was a mechanical calculator designed to automate the computation of polynomial function. It relied on a system of gears, leverage, and rotating cylinders, each representing a digit. The beauty of Babbage's invention lay in its ability to handle calculation with precision and eliminate human error. It was an extraordinary concept that would revolutionize computation. Segment 3, Challenges and Legacy. Although Babbage's visionary creation never saw completion during his lifetime, its significance cannot be overlooked. The complexity of the design, coupled with technological limitation of the era, poses immense challenges. However, Babbage's pioneering work on the difference engine laid the foundation for modern computing. His idea inspired future generations and his legacy lives on in the digital. Segment 4, Impact and Influence. The profound impact of Babbage's invention resonates even today. His groundbreaking concept influenced subsequent inventors and engineers who built upon his idea. The principle behind the difference engine eventually led to the development of economical computers. Today we own much of our digital world to Charles Babbage's relentless pursuing of automatic complex calculation. Conclusion. As we conclude this episode on the forgotten gems of technology, the difference engine, we appreciate the brilliance of Charles Babbage and his visionary contribution to the world of computing. Stay tuned for more such stories of remarkable invention that shaped our history. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And remember, history is full of hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring.